In this video, we're going to talk about custom reports. Now, Google Analytics does a great job of already providing you a ton of built-in reports, but sometimes you have a question that's a little bit more specific that you want to get some answers to, something that's customized to your unique situation. And those custom reports you will find under the customization section in Google Analytics. So the very first thing we're going to do is once we've clicked on customization, we're going to go to where it says custom reports. And there you will see a list of any custom reports that you already have access to. We're going to go ahead and click, in this case, on New Custom Report to create our new custom report. Very first thing we're going to do is name it. In this case, I'm just going to say it's my custom report. But of course, you can name this whatever you like, and you can change the names later at any time. Then you've got different types of custom reports that you can use. Explorer is one that you're probably familiar with. It's what most of the built-in reports in Google Analytics already have. Flat tables are great for a little bit more of a linear analysis of what you're looking for. And then map overlays you can use for anything that's geography, where you've got, you actually want to see a map of the world or the city or a certain location. In our case, we're going to keep it at Explorer for now. Then you've got a choice to make. Which metrics do you want to see? That is, which numbers do you want to see? In this example, we're just going to go ahead and type in users because we want to see the number of users. And I also want to go ahead and see the number of new users. So we'll click on new users. So now this report will show us the number of users and the number of new users. Then we choose a dimension. So we'll go ahead and click on add dimension here. And we're going to start with source medium. And this is a particularly useful feature of custom reports. You then have drill down dimensions. So when we click into source medium, we're then going to see our next dimension, which in this example, I'm just going to say landing page. And what we're doing is we're building a report that will show us the number of users and new users coming in from different traffic sources broken down by landing page. Then we'll come down to filters. Now this is optional, but this is where you can further filter the results. So instead of seeing every user that's on my site, maybe I just want to see, let's say, desktop users. So in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and filter for a device category. And then we'll say device category of desktop. So we'll select desktop. And then we'll come down. Now next is in custom reports. It's very important. Sometimes you just want a custom report that is available to the current view that you're in. That is the default. But you can have it also select other views that you want maybe other accounts to use, especially useful if you have a custom report that you want to use for multiple clients. Or you can say you want it associated to all views within this particular account that you're in. For now, we're going to go ahead and click it and keep it at one view selected, which is our default. And we'll go ahead and save our report. Now, immediately after we save our report, you will see the report that we just created. So now we're looking at a segment. How do we know that? Even though it says all users, it's only 72.49% of the users because we're filtering down by desktop. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on Google Organic. This shows me already Google Organic with 4,800 users, give or take, and about 4,000 of them are actually new. If I click on our Google Organic, we will then see our landing pages. This was the drill down dimension that we set up. And so we see our landing pages where the home page gets a ton of traffic. Of the 4,800, 3,400 or 66% of it is coming into that home page, and 70% of the traffic, new users. And then you can see by design all the other landing pages. That is the very first page of the session and where this Google Organic traffic is being dispersed to. So we can see way at the bottom here, number 9, our Shop by Brand Google has very, very little traffic coming into it from Google Analytics. Let's click on where it says custom reports and you will see there's our custom report already sitting there for us. This is the one that we created. Now again, if I wanted to edit this, I could. I just go to actions and then I could either edit, I could copy it to create another version of itself and maybe do some adjustments there. I can share it with others, or of course I could just delete it if I am completely done with this custom report and no longer need it. And again, to view it, all I would need to do is click where it says my custom report and that'll pull that up. So that's all there is to it. Now you know how to create a custom report in Google Analytics.
I want to know how you were able to apply the information that you've learned in this video. Do me a quick favor and leave a comment below. And of course, if you love topics around Google Analytics, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel so that you can make sure you stay updated on all the notifications when they're available.